with the 40 years, I think something to consider is, the practice started 40 years ago. Obviously, not all the same people are here 40 years later, and not all the same people are going to be here in 40 years from now. But what's important is that we were able to establish a certain way of doing things, a certain culture, a certain mindset that has been passed on from Babylon generation to generation to generation. So whether it be somebody from 40 years ago, or 30 or 20, or somebody that we're hiring today, these people are all going to have the same values and the same knowledge and the same training and the same access to training that people from day one have. And I think that's important because what it's doing is Babylon Dental Care has a way of doing things, and it's going to be consistent from day one till hopefully the future. Another thing to look at also is everything's not the same as it was 40 years ago either. There's been, technology changes, there's been all kinds of stuff. And that's another thing that we do. It was always incorporating and learning new ways to do things, whether it be something for safety, whether it be something just hands-on technical knowledge. And we're keeping all that open to all the employees to help make Babylon Dental Care successful for the future.
Commitment to excellence, first of all. But by the same token, I would say there are other practices that are probably doing excellent dentistry as well. But our approach is to make our patients feel like they're part of the family. We really want, when they come in, we want them to look forward to coming in to see us, which most of our patients do. And we just want to consistently supply them with the best possible care.
We've been through a lot, but we've always been persistent, and our compassion for people helps drive us to keep going.
So some of the core values, the one that I love the most is teamwork. I started off here as a hygienist, and now I'm clinical director. So now I work with a lot of other teams, including front desk. I kind of blend, wear a lot of hats with everything. And I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the help that I got from people that have been here longer than me, people that know more than me. I mean, it's just, we really work together to make sure the day goes smoothly. The other thing I love is fun. We added that, actually, that was one of our newest additions to the core values. And I think just, you come here, you leave your families, we spend more time with each other than we do friends sometimes. And I think making sure that we have fun, we're always smiling. We do silly things like our Spirit Week. I mean, it uplifts you and it makes you want to come to work every single day. So,
I think it definitely starts with the team. We can't give our best to patients if our team doesn't feel like they're in a safe place where they can give their best. And so it's kind of all tied together. A happy workplace with, happy people is happily able to treat people.
We over-deliver for each patient for every appointment, and we always make sure we go the extra mile to make sure we take care of every need that the patient has. Whether it's a hygiene cleaning and you come in with an emergency problem, we make sure we take care of that as well. All the needs are met.